Ever walked past a bank or scrolled through online banking options and felt overwhelmed? Like there's a secret language you just don't speak? You're not alone. The world of finance can be intimidating, filled with jargon and complex products. But what if there was a simpler way? A bank that felt more human? That's what we're exploring today. What is Tangerine Bank? Before we dive into Tangerine specifically, let's quickly touch on the evolution of banking. For centuries, banking was a very physical experience. You'd walk into a grand building, interact with tellers, and handle physical cash. Then came ATMs, offering a taste of self-service. The internet revolutionized everything, bringing us online banking, and now we're seeing the rise of digital banks, also known as neobanks. These banks operate primarily, or even entirely, online, cutting down on overhead costs and often offering more competitive rates and fees. So, where does Tangerine fit into all of this? Tangerine Bank is a direct bank, meaning it operates primarily online and over the phone, without a network of physical branches. This model allows them to pass on cost savings to their customers in the form of higher interest rates on savings accounts and lower fees on other services. Tangerine was originally founded in Canada in 1997 as ING Direct Canada, a subsidiary of the Dutch financial giant ING Group. Its initial focus was on offering high-interest savings accounts, a simple and effective way to attract customers. The concept was a hit, and ING Direct quickly gained popularity in Canada and other countries. In 2012, Scotiabank, one of Canada's Big Five banks, acquired ING Direct Canada and rebranded it as Tangerine in 2014. This acquisition was a significant move, solidifying Tangerine's position in the Canadian financial landscape while giving Scotiabank a strong foothold in the growing digital banking sector. Now, let's break down some of the key features and products that Tangerine offers. One of their flagship offerings is their high-interest savings account. These accounts typically offer interest rates that are higher than those offered by traditional brick-and-mortar banks. This can be a significant advantage for those looking to maximize their savings. Tangerine also offers checking accounts, which function similarly to traditional checking accounts but often come with lower or no monthly fees. They provide convenient online bill pay, mobile check deposits, and access to a network of ATMs. Beyond savings and checking, Tangerine provides a range of other financial products, including GICs, guaranteed investment certificates, which are similar to certificates of deposit, and offer a fixed interest rate for a specific term. They also offer mutual funds and investment options for those looking to grow their wealth over the long term. One of Tangerine's core strengths is its user-friendly online and mobile platforms. Their website and mobile app are designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even for those who are not tech-savvy. This focus on user experience is a key differentiator in the digital banking space. Another important aspect of Tangerine is its commitment to customer service. While they don't have physical branches, they offer phone support and online chat options, ensuring that customers can get help when they need it. So, what are the advantages of choosing Tangerine Bank? First and foremost, the potential for higher interest rates on savings accounts is a major draw. Lower or no monthly fees on checking accounts can also save you money over time. The convenience of online and mobile banking is another significant benefit, allowing you to manage your finances from anywhere with an internet connection. However, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider. Since Tangerine is a direct bank, you won't have access to physical branches. This might be a concern for those who prefer face-to-face interactions with bank staff. While they offer phone and online support, some people still value the in-person experience. Another potential consideration is that while Tangerine offers a range of financial products, their selection might not be as extensive as that of a larger, full-service bank. If you require very specialized financial services, you might need to look elsewhere. It's also important to understand the security measures in place. Tangerine, like other regulated financial institutions, employs various security protocols to protect customer funds and information. These measures include encryption, fraud detection systems, and adherence to industry security standards. They are also a member of the Canada Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC, meaning eligible deposits are insured up to $100,000 per depositor, per insured category. This provides peace of mind for customers knowing their money is protected. Now, let's address a common question: is Tangerine Bank right for everyone? The answer, as with most financial decisions, is that it depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you prioritize convenience, higher interest rates on savings, and lower fees, Tangerine could be a great fit. If you prefer in-person banking and require a wide range of specialized financial services, a traditional bank might be a better option. It's also worth noting that Tangerine is primarily focused on the Canadian market. While they were previously present in other countries under the ING Direct brand, their current operations are concentrated in Canada. In conclusion, Tangerine Bank is a successful example of a direct bank that has disrupted the traditional banking landscape. By focusing on online and mobile banking, they've been able to offer competitive rates and lower fees, attracting a significant customer base. Their user-friendly platform and commitment to customer service have also played a key role in their success. It's important to do your own research and compare different financial institutions before making a decision. Consider your individual needs and priorities, and choose the bank that best aligns with your financial goals. Whether that's Tangerine, a traditional bank, or a combination of both, the key is to be informed and make conscious choices about your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.